Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos. In this video, we're gonna learn the staking under drip ecosystem project. My name is Bonibai from Bonibai Technology channel. In this video, we'll look into basics about staking and then we'll jump into checking the drip ecosystem projects. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button so that every time I upload the video, you'll be able to watch the video very early. And if you have any question, you can write in the comment section below of this video. Let's get started. As I said, we'll start with understanding of the word staking, and then we'll finish with drip ecosystem staking project, where I'll be showing you the different projects of drip ecosystem. So we'll start with staking. What do we mean when we say staking? So we say staking is simply the process of locking crypto assets in your cryptocurrency wallet for a specific period, and the aim is to verify blockchain transaction and contribute to the performance and safety of the blockchain network. So in reward, you'll be rewarded in form of additional coins or token in your wallet. So simply staking, it means you buy a certain number of coins, and then those coins you lock them on the blockchain, and then in reward, rewards in form of additional coin or token on that specific coin or token. So simply that is what we call staking. So after understanding of staking, and then now we're going to next step, we'll be checking different drip projects that uses the staking opportunity. So the first drip project is called Drip Network. In this staking, you'll be able to buy at least one drip network token, and then you stake it. Once you stake it, you'll be getting 1% daily based on the money that you invested. So simply in drip network staking, you'll be getting 1% based on the money that you have staked. So let me connect and then we'll check my account. So I'll click here connected. You can check here I have 277 drip that I deposited, and then a variable amount that I can withdraw. I have 87.544 drip, and they claimed that the amount of drip that I have withdrawn is 249. I have maximum payout, that means I'll be paid until I get 1k drip depending on the deposit amount that I deposited. So simply in this drip network opportunity or staking, you'll be getting 1% based on the amount of money that you deposited or you invested. So for example, here I have a variable amount where I can hydrate, that means I can compound, or I can claim. Claim means withdraw. So once you withdraw it, it will come directly into your wallet. So in my case, I'm hydrating. So if I'm hydrating, I'll click here hydrating, that means I'm compounding, and then I have to confirm on my wallet. So once I click confirm, this amount of drip will be compounded in my deposit amount. Remember, when you are compounding or withdrawing, make sure you have BNB Smart Chain, and BNB Smart Chain is used as a fee. So make sure you have some BNB Smart Chain that will be used to pay the gas fee. So once the confirmation finish, you can see here, at first I had 277 drip, and now I have 361 drip. That means I have compounded the amount of money. So I could also withdraw, but I decided to compound. So simply, this is drip network. What you need to know about drip network is that you're going to be paid 1%, daily, based on the amount you invested. So what you need to know about drip network staking, that you're going to be paid 1% daily based on the amount you invested or deposited, and that's the first thing. The second thing is that drip network, the minimum amount to stake is 1 drip. So you must have at least 1 drip. And then another thing, when you are depositing, there is 10% tax charge of the deposit. So that means if you're depositing maybe $100 of drip, that means 10% of that $100 will be taken. These are 7 things that you need to know about drip staking, drip network staking. So the first one, that you're going to earn 1% daily based on the amount you invested. And the second one is that when you are depositing, 10% tax on your deposit. So whenever you deposit amount of drip, there is a tax of 10%. And then the third one is that the minimum staking amount is 1 drip. So if you have 1 drip, you can start staking right away. Another thing is that you can hydrate or compound at any time, so no restriction. And then another is that you can claim or withdraw your available amount anytime without asking any person. And then another is that drip staking process, all the process is done under the blockchain. That means you'll be interacting with the blockchain, whether you are withdrawing or you are depositing or you are claiming or you're hydrating. So every process that we'll be doing on drip network, you'll be interacting with the blockchain. So it's full blockchain processes. And then the last one is that there is a referral system. For example, here you can check here, I have like 12 referral, direct 12 referrals here. So there is referrals, but it's not important. So if you don't want to do referral, you can just earn from your deposited amount. So no need to do referrals if you don't love doing referrals. But if you do referrals, you'll be earning some amount from the referral. You can check here, I've earned like 2.00 drip from referrals. So simply, these are 7 important things that you need to know on drip staking. So last one, if you want to start your staking right away, the process is simple. Make sure you find your wallet with BNB Smart Chain. So make sure you find your wallet with BNB Smart Chain, and then you take the link in the description of this video. So once you open up, you'll have to connect your wallet. So make sure your wallet is connected, and then once your wallet is connected, here in the menu we have swap, faucet, and reserve. So click on swap. That means you'll be changing your BNB Smart Chain into drip. So here down we have buy drip and sell drip. So since you will be having amount of drip here, you will enter here amount of drip, like for example you have 0.03. so if I write here 0.03, and then if I click buy, that means I'll be changing my BNB Smart Chain into drip. So once you finish changing BNB into drip, then here upward on the menu, click on faucet. So once you click on faucet, scroll down. So once you finish buying drip, then go on faucet and then scroll down. You'll see here the drip amount that you swapped from the swapping menu. So once you have the amount of drip here, you have to enter the amount of drip, and then you click deposit. Once you click deposit, you'll have to confirm on the blockchain. Remember, you must remain with some of the BNB as a gas fee. So once you deposit, you'll find here you have the amount of deposited, and then you start earning right away. So simply, that is how to join this drip staking, drip network staking. So if you have any question or you have not understood anything, you can just write a comment in the comment section of this video, then I'll be able to guide you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video so that others may learn from this video. Thank you very much.